Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be pruning some of my lilacs. I have three varieties of lilacs. The one behind me, the one I'm going to prune today, has been taking over the area for quite some time. It's been in the ground for about 10 years or so, and I've pruned it a few times, but I haven't pruned it for about 2 or 3 years for a variety of reasons. But this one is called a boomerang lilac, and I'll put some B-roll in showing. It blooms kind of continuous, so we'll get the initial bloom in early summer, in early June. So this one blooms right after the old-fashioned lilacs that you see everywhere. I'm in zone 4, and then this one will continue to bloom, I think, through August. So it just keeps coming, which is kind of nice, and it's unusual. Lilacs are kind of loved by us northern gardeners. They're very fragrant for cut flowers, and they're just very beautiful. This is a purple variety. Again, it's called Boomerang Lilac. I'm going to set the camera up and then you can watch me prune. One of the things that you want to do is make sure you have some kind of a safety glasses, or some kind of glasses to protect your eyes. You want to have a nice little pruner. This is a little bypass one, little shear, and of course the big work is done with a lapper. So what I'm going to do is set the camera up. I've got my lawn tractor and garden cart ready to take away the things that I don't need, and we'll get going on this. Now what I'm going to do is take away 30% or more of this. Typically when you do pruning, you don't want to be taking away too much because it's too hard in the shrub. And know that when you prune a boomerang type of lilac, you're going to be giving up your blooms for the rest of the summer possibly. But it's just way out of control. It's blocking my window, and we want to be able to look out into the yard. So stay tuned. this is a follow-up video to my pruning on my bloomerang lilac. So I did a really hard shear on it this spring because, or early summer, because it was just blocking my window. I got a big window there, so I wanted to make sure I removed that, and or got it so I could see. And then I had showed in the video, I kind of went in deep into the shrubs so you could see that it was going to fill out, because it looked pretty drastic, pretty scary looking. But this is just a follow-up video to show you, and I'll look at how many weeks, it's probably 8 weeks later, how well it came back. And I even did have some blooms as of last week. I'm not seeing them. Like over the weekend I saw a new bloom. Oh, in the back there. So I'll show you. So you can see right there, it's blooming, which is kind of cool. I mean, we're in September and it's still blooming, so it started in June. So this is a nice lilac to have. The blooms that you get later on are much sporadic. They're not as prolific as it is like when it first starts blooming in June. But again, I'm zone 4. This is a bloomerang. I'll see if I can find the tag. Lilac, it's been here for about 10 years, so it was getting a bit out of control. So it was nice to be able to come and provide a follow-up video just so you can see that it did recover. Looks good. Thanks. Bye.